Hello. Hi, test. First of all, I would like to ask you all if you all can hear my voice and see my slide. Hello. Hello. Hi, test. First of all, I would like to ask you all if you all can hear my voice and see my slide. Okay. Okay, so we start now. Welcome all to Acad System free online lessons. Before we start the topic, I would like to introduce myself. I am Lim from Acad Systems. So I would like to talk about the topic Express tool for streamline workflows in AutoCAD. So first of all, what is Express tool? Express tool is a library of productivity tool that designed to help us enhance our AutoCAD skills. The Express tool also simplify our AutoCAD experience, save time, and make our design more efficient. Why are we introducing in Express tool today? Because we found that many people didn't know that the existence of Express tool in AutoCAD. Therefore, our aim for today is to utilize Express tool and achieve higher workability and also work efficient in our daily work. Okay. So now I move to. There are basically 4 benefits of using AutoCAD Express tool. The first is easy to use interface. The second is increased productivity because it helps us to save time. The third, compatible with AutoCAD. And the last is fewer errors, which it prevents the common errors. Okay. Next. So these are the outline of the topic today. The first is breakline symbol, and the second, auto number. The third, enclose in object, and the fourth, arc align text, and the lastly, super hedge. Okay. So before we move to the next slide, you can open your AutoCAD to do together with me, or you can listen first, then proceed to do the exercise later. Okay. The first one is breakline symbol, or we can type breakline in AutoCAD. It is to break a line into 2 parts without a gap between them. So I would like to show you all first. Okay, so basically we will find that the breakline symbol in detailing of the beam. It indicates that the detailing of this part is only a certain part of the whole drawing. Okay, so how do we create a breakline symbol like this? Okay, so if we enter AutoCAD, you'll be in the home panel. Then you can find the Express tool at here. So you will see a breakline symbol here. Okay, then you can use the breakline symbol, or you can use the command breakline. Then it will show it here. So to do the breakline symbol, we need to specify the first point and the second point, which is the ending point. So the next command will be where the location for our breakline symbol. So normally we will put it at the center. Okay, like this. Now you will see that the breakline symbol already here, but it is too small. So how do we modify? So how do we modify the breakline symbol? We can do it first. Then we click the symbol again. Now you will see that the bottom one has shown the size and also the extension. So for example, the size we will use 100. Okay, extension we will do 100 as well. So now we repeat the command again. put it at the center. And you will see it will auto help us to create a breakline symbol right here. There is also an important tips, which is which I select the first point and the second point, then I just right click. It will automatically place it at the center. So I don't need to find the center of the line and also the part. Okay. So hope you understand this topic for the breakline symbol. Then we will move to the second command, which is auto number, or we can type T count in AutoCAD. It allows us to automatically add a number to selected labels or text within a drawing. Okay, you may find the auto number right here. Okay, so first of all, we need to select the text first. Okay, so I select the text. Now I enter. It will show that X, Y, or select order. So X meaning it counts from the left to the right, and the Y is meaning from the top to the bottom. And select order, I will show you all later. So for this case, I will use X first. So now it asks me to specify the starting number and also increment. So for example, I would like to start at 1, then increase by 1, then I just comma 1. Enter. Okay, now it will show override, prefix, suffix, and find and replace. So basically, override is meaning only leave the numbers only, and prefix is if you want to add the numbering in front of your text. And the suffix is also for the behind of the text. So find and replace is also find the certain number that you want to change, then replace it. Okay, for this case, we will use override. Now you see that it will, just now I use the X command, it will count from the left to the right. Okay, so for example, I select this all. Okay, enter, I select Y. Then also start from 1 and increment of 1. Then I select prefix. Now you will see the number is in front of the text. Okay, for example, if like this. Okay, so now I select 1, 2, and 3. Then I enter. I use select order. Then by this time I choose suffix, which is add the numbering behind of the text. Now you see that. Okay. Just now I select 1, 2, and 3, meaning it is the select order function. Okay, I also can, for example, okay, never mind, choose this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I use select order, increase 1 to 1, and override. Now you will see that. For example, I would like to auto correct for the find and replace. Then I need to type for the number that I want to modify. So for this case, I choose 2. Then this number should be 3, which is the auto number help us to automatically count the number from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so hope you all can understand this auto number. Then we will move to the next topic, which is enclose in object or T-circle in AutoCAD. It is used to enclose text with objects. So we can find the command right here, or we can type T-circle. Then we just select the text that we want to enclose with. Press enter. Then it will ask me to enter the distance offset factor. I just press enter and choose circle. Okay, now you see it will ask whether I want to constant or variable. Constant means it only takes the size of the largest text, and the variable it consider all the size of the text. So later we'll do an example for you all to more clearly understand about this function. Variable, and you see the text is enclosed with an object. Okay, so just now you can see that the size is different here. If I go to properties, you may see that the text height is 150 and this 200 and 300. So, and I use enclose in object. Okay. Enter. So for this case, I will use slot. Okay, if I choose variable, it will become like this. It considers the size of the text, and if we select like this constant, now you will see that all the boundaries will be followed by the largest text, which is 300. Okay. Next, we will introduce arc align text, which is arc text in AutoCAD. It creates text that align with an arc. Okay, so first of all, we need to draw an arc first. Then we can find the command here, arc align text. So I close this first. Arc align text. Then I select an arc or arc align text. So for Acad systems, we can adjust the text of height at here, 200, and offset from arc, meaning that it is the distance between your text and the arc. This we also put 100. Offset from the left, meaning distance from the left at here, and offset from the right, meaning at here, the distance. So we will put 500 or so. Then you'll see the distance at here. Okay, you might have a question about if we can put align text in a circle or not. So for this case, it is a circle. Then I use align text. I click on the circle. The command will show it must be select an arc or align text. But if we create two arcs with the same radius, then we can put the text inside of it. Okay, same. Now like this. Express 2. Okay, if you want to modify the word again, you can just repeat the command and click on the text. Then we can modify it again. And it also has more format, which is reverse text. It will be totally mirror. And for another format, okay, I take off first. You have left or right, or you want the text to be placed at the center, or you can align it here. So for this convex and also concave, meaning you want the text to be put upside of the arc or the downside of the arc. Okay, so put. Okay, now you see the word has been concave. Then it also have a direction which you want to invert from the center or outward of the center. So if I choose invert, it will be like this. And also modify this text. Okay. Okay. Basically, you also can choose the function at here, the format. Okay, then invert. Okay. So this is the arc align text command. Hope you all enjoy. Okay. Oh, but you also need to remember, if you want to put the two arcs into a circle, you can use command join, or we can type J. But remember that if we convert the arc to a circle, then if you want to explode it, you cannot be back to the arc again. So I choose enter. Now you will see that one is not able to be exploded. Now we will move to the last command, which is super hatch. Okay, it is used to hatch an area using a selected image, block, or white up object. Okay, what's the difference between hatch and also super hatch? You can see it here. If normally hatch, okay, choose this. Hatch, for example, I would like to choose a star at here. Also, I can adjust the scale at here. Angle, everything. Okay. Okay. Adjust the scale first. Okay, now you see that the star is basically 6 corners of it. So for example, what if I want to fill the area with only 5 corners? Okay, so first of all, we need to draw stars with 5 corners only. Okay. Then that's it. For example, this is the star that I want to place it inside of the boundaries at here. Then I just need to select all and create and convert it to a block. Then I name it stars. And I specify the base point of the block. Okay, block unit and limited. Okay. So basically this is the block of my stars. Okay, then I use the express tool, super hatch at here. Then I select block and find the block name that I renamed just now and click OK. So now I place it at the corner of it. Okay, now you may select the scales of your size. I would say 200. Also same scale factor with X. Okay. Now you see it will be asked, is this the placement of your block acceptable? For this case, I think the block is too large, then I will select no. Okay, then I put again intersection point here, 50 for Y. Okay, still too large. Intersect here. 5. Okay, for example, yes, I'll just press enter. Now you see a purple boundary at here. It is used to determine the distance between each of your block. So for example, if I put larger boundaries, it will be more distant of each block. Okay, just press enter. So it will show now specify an option which you just need to click anywhere inside of your boundaries. And just press enter. And you see the block just now has been super hatched into my boundaries at here. You may also super hash inside a circle. Then I just select express tool, super hash, block. At here. Fill factor 25. Okay. Yes. Okay, for this case, it will be no distance. It means the fit to the block. Then I just press enter, specify an option, and press enter again. So you will need some time for it to load. Now you see that the difference between this and this is just now the purple boundaries, which I set large a bit, then it will have a distance between each block. Okay, we can also create super hash with an image. So for this case, image. Press enter. Okay. Then I just place at here. So now you can drag of your mouse to adjust the size, or you can just set the value scale factor on your keyboard and just type enter. So normally I will just drag the mouse because it's more easier for me to see whether the image of the size is acceptable or not. Okay, it will be asked, is the placement of this image acceptable? Then I will press yes. So now specify an option, enter. Okay, now you may see some with the colors and some don't have with the colors. It means the image with the colors means it is the fully image inside the boundaries, and those with no color means that there is the missing part of the image. All right. Okay, so if you all have any question, you can type in the chat box so that I can know. Okay, for the meantime that you are typing your question, we would like to introduce you our company website. Okay, we are Autodesk Go partner and also authorized training center. So if you scroll down to our website, here you may see the promotion that our company have. And if you continue to scroll down, you will find some free online courses and lessons. If you are interested with the topic and you are okay with the time below, you can just join the Zoom and also YouTube like today. Then if you feel you are interested with the topic, but the time is not suitable for you, you can scroll down a bit, go to our YouTube channel here. So you will see the free online lesson topics at here. Okay, if you have any question about our company or you may face some AutoCAD issue, you can press here, live chat with us, or you can send a form to us that will help you to solve your problem. Okay, then we also have other application that will provide online course training center, which is the AutoCAD, also Run 3D, Revit, Inventor, and also BIM. Okay, so now I will check back the chat box to see if you all have any other question. Okay, it seems don't have any question, then I will close the lesson today. Okay, thank you everyone for